This is the Pico Pendant, early version, and a little sluggish on sending to the network, but otherwise working pretty well. You can see it has 3 controls. It's a little box with currently a small battery inside of it. Here we change the axis, X, Y, Z. Here we determine how much to move per tick. You can see it's going up and down. Oh, here I'm going to push that in. We'll switch to metric. So here let's move 50 millimeters so it's really obvious per tick. And then if I turn this, it's going to go ahead and move. And I'm going to take the pendant away so you can see this on screen as I do the same thing for the x-axis. So let's let it get back into focus. Here we go. Over 50 millimeters. Over 100 millimeters back. Another couple hundred. Or I could switch to the y-axis and move it towards me or away. So there you got it.